Now I want to show you guys the molecular analysis area of the lab over here to my left. And I want this to be a place to teach the player about a concept known as chirality, which is something I learned about in organic chemistry. And chirality is an important property of a molecule, and a molecule is considered chiral if it cannot be superimposed on its mirror image, and if it can be, is considered achiral. And whether a molecule is chiral or achiral is very important and pertains to things such as pharmaceutical development. So this is a very important matter. But the concept can be kind of confusing to a student that can't visualize these models. So virtual reality is a great way to clear this up for the student or the player. And so what I have here is one molecule, and I've mirrored it here, as you can see. And so now I can try to superimpose this molecule on this one. And if I can, then it's considered achiral, and if I can't, then it's considered chiral. And you'll notice that I've almost done it, except that these bonds over here are not superimposed. And what I actually found out is that this bond here could actually be rotated. So if you did that, they would be superimposed. But that's a problem for these models, and I realized I want the player to be able to rotate this. So what I decided to do is create different models, and those models are made, they're all one mesh, they're all one piece, but these models are several pieces, just like you're working with a chemistry model set. But the problem here is, if I grab it, everything is good. So I can grab it, work with it, but when I let go, they're not floating. When I turned on the physics, they just went all over the place. And I really want the molecules to be able to float like these. It just makes it a little more enjoyable to work with them. But the point of this is you will step one, you will walk to the collection table to bring out your rare earth sample. So all your samples will be here, and you'll grab it, and you'll, step two, toss a rare earth sample into the molecular analyzer, which will look much better. And then information will pop up on the screen here in front of you, which will teach the player about chirality and explain things that I've just explained to you guys, except in a much even better way than I just did, hopefully. So I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's going to be good. And if people don't like the fighting aspect of this game, then the lab could just be a game in itself. But really, I wanted a game that you can explore a world and kind of just have fun in it, but while learning something important at the same time. So we'll see what happens, but I'm very excited and hope that you are too. Thanks for watching.